If the control panel has lights on but does not respond to pad presses, it may be locked. Some models use the heated dry pad as a lock, and some models have a lock pad. If a lock symbol is adjacent to the heated dry pad, then your dishwasher's lock feature is activated utilizing the heated dry pad. The pads will not respond while the lock is enabled. To disable this lock, hold the heated dry pad for 3 seconds and you will hear a beep and the light will go off. If you wish to lock the control panel again, hold the heated dry button for 3 seconds to engage the lock. For the controls with a separate lock pad, if any pad is pressed and the light above the lock pad flashes, the control panel is locked. To unlock the control panel, press the lock pad twice and the light will go off. If you wish to lock the control panel again, press the lock pad twice to engage the lock.